going on, guys? TunedUPBassin here. I am out doing some fishing here today for you guys. I have about maybe 4 hours or so to do some fishing because I actually had to work today. But we'll see what we can get here today for you guys. Water temp 62 degrees, so it went up about 4 degrees within the last 2-3 days. So we're gonna see if they're gonna become more active, and we're gonna see if they're actually gonna be spawning right now. So right now we're seeing about 7-8 foot right now, and we're gonna see if we'll get some today for you guys. So all right, so my first choice is gonna be a Squarebill. All right, an awesome summertime or springtime fishing lure here. Kind of get that reaction bite going with this guy. So we're gonna give it a shot. And I did not bring my chest mount because it's too clunkily and it's not really good images and stuff. It is a GoPro 5 too as well, but I'm gonna just go ahead and stick with the power stick guy there. So I see some weeds up here right now, so let's get up to it. Oh my God, did you guys see that? Holy, I better not lose this. Oh my God, this guy's huge. Stay down, stay down. Stay down, big girl. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Oh, get up here. Let's go, man. Oh God, look at that. Definitely post spawn. You see how skinny their stomach is? Definitely post spawn right now. Look at that. Decent little guy. Super skinny. So that tells me that they have already spawned, and it might be some really good fishing going forward now. So we'll get it. I'm gonna take a quick picture with it though. Let it go. All right, let's get it again. Fish. Stopped it on the pause. There we go. There we go. Another post spawn. Super skinny. know what I'm gonna switch up to? I'm gonna go ahead and switch up to one of my swim jigs that I actually made yesterday. Show you guys here real quick some of the different ones that I made. I made 5 different kinds. I made a black and blue one. I made a, I don't know what you call this, kind of bluegill with the orange head. Definitely looks pretty amazing. I might actually throw this here in a little bit here too as well. And then I got all white. And then I got some type of bluegill color here too as well, natural color here. And the last one is kind of like a peanut butter color here. So if I can find somebody who can make a purple swim bait, this will be killer. PB&J right here. So, but before that, I'm actually going to start off with this guy here, this orange one here, and see if they're munching on this guy here. So, because right now, the reason why I'm switching over to a swim jig is because my squarebill keeps getting caught in the weeds. Even though I'm like ripping it out, these weeds here, they come up because right now we're fishing like around 8 foot of water, and the weeds are like 4 foot high, so they're literally like 3 feet down from me here. So, and with that squarebill, it keeps digging into the weeds too much. So with the swim jig, it should allow me to kind of go through the weeds, and it's a more subtle action too as well. So I'm gonna tie this guy up, and literally these are all just cabbage weeds here, so which is awesome because especially in these northern lakes, you got to find the weeds in order to find the fish. All right. And considering that we're fishing at right now, this is literally a huge flat on here. Look at that. That thing looks juicy right there. All right. We're gonna see how she swims. Nice. It has a like a side-by-side wobble here, which is actually really awesome. What a good fish. Get up here, big girl. Look at that. Another post spawn. Go. Let her go. my God, guys. This is a 4-pounder right here. Holy shit. Quick picture of it. What a nice fish. Holy Jesus! Oh my God! Get up here! Oh my God! Look at that, y'all. Definitely just got done breeding for sure. Look at all the heel marks on his tails. Definitely just got done breeding. So they are definitely in post spawn. What an awesome fish. Go. Get up here. All right, I think that will be my last cast of the day. I'm just getting a little bit late here today, so I gotta actually go back to work. I actually work today, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. But another awesome little guy here. They are definitely in the post spawn right now. So if you guys are trying to fish deeper. All right. But yeah, little guy here. Let it go. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I've been throwing here today for you guys. I know I didn't have a chest mount on today, but so that way you guys couldn't see what I was throwing. But basically, all for today, I've been throwing this Squarebill, this black and chartreuse Squarebill here. This is probably one of my favorite colors to throw. This water here is a little bit stained, so that's why I kind of chose this color here. But I fished a natural color here with the Squarebill, and it works just as fine too as well. I just had this guy tied on at that moment. So awesome day to throw a Squarebill, especially during the early spring season. So, and then my next one is, now this is the one that I made myself. All right, so but any swim jig will work here for ya. This is basically a 3/8 ounce swim jig, and I'm throwing it on a medium action pole with, I believe, 15-pound fluorocarbon on there. So kind of like that more parabolic bend, more that you know, play in the rod, especially throwing a swim jig here, just so I can play around with the fish more and whatnot. But and it's awesome throwing these lures. I really like tackle too as well, because the fish fight 10 times harder. But yeah, basically an awesome follow-up bait if you're tired of throwing that Squarebill, because once you throw that Squarebill pretty much all day, your arms get tired and just kind of ripping through the grass and whatnot. But this is an awesome follow-up bait here. Just a very subtle action here. You can use any trailer you want. I just had a swim bait tied on here, but you can literally use any trailer on a swim jig here. But Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for my next one.